Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Today's video, as you can probably tell already by the title, is my winter evening routine I wanted to share with you guys today. Really quick before we get into today's video, if you are not following me on my social media yet, I have it all listed right here for you guys so you can follow me on all of my social media platforms. I have been posting quite a bit to my Instagram lately, as well as my Twitter, Facebook. I have Snapchat, and I have also been doing my weekly blog posts over on my website, which you guys will also see on the screen right here. So if you guys want to see what Remy and I get up to in the evenings during the winter when Spencer's at work, then let's jump right into it.
Like snow, don't worry, you know you'll end up in the wrong hands. And you're having fun. Why don't you show your friends? And you're having fun. What if it never ends? I'm lacking sincerity.
But that is it for my winter evening routine. If you guys have any special routines or rituals that you guys like to do during the winter months, make sure to comment them down below. I would love to hear how you guys survive the winter months and get through the incredible cold. I don't know if it gets as cold where you guys are as it does here in Manitoba for us, but right now we are going through a cold snap and it is really testing me, and it is so difficult. I rarely leave the house. Most of my friends here have hardly seen me recently because it has just been so cold and I am just not brave enough to walk out the door. But that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit my subscribe button and my little bell notification button down below as well. I would love to have you guys here on my channel. I post weekly videos on Wednesdays. And other than that, guys, I will see you in next week's video. Bye. The snow to melt. I want palm trees and pina coladas and green grass, green leaves. I need to go make some tea. Where's my beanbag?